Today I'm sharing the recipe to make these coconut macaroons without a piping bag. We're going to use 300 grams of shredded coconut. Make sure the coconut is good quality, because many times what they sell us is coconut that has already had the oil removed. It's very dry, not good for recipes, and lacks nutrients. We are going to use 150 grams of sugar. And we are going to use 4 eggs. We'll moisten the coconut with egg. And now we're going to help ourselves with our hands. We'll start making dough. Once it's pretty well mixed, what I do is add butter. This butter is at room temperature. It's 70 grams of butter. And now we're going to mix it really well with the butter. You'll see that it's going to get really, really moist. And there. Okay, now you can even shape it a little. Well, that's when it's ready. And we put it in the fridge for a little while, about 15 minutes. Once we leave it in the freezer section, just 15 minutes. You'll see that it's firmer and it'll be easier to shape. So that's when it's ready. We're going to make the little cones. And we put them aside. There's no need to grease because it already has plenty of butter. We now bake them at 180 degrees in the middle of the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And if you keep them in a container for 1 or 2 days, they'll stay super moist. Very, very delicious. Delicious, yum yum.